All right, so in this video I want us to compare two apps. Okay, these are popular apps. That's Canva, and then next is Adobe. Okay, Adobe has a new product. It might be old, but I just chanced upon it for some few months ago. I've been using it, I've been enjoying it. I still have my Canva still free plan because that's whatever I want, but I want to compare the two, what I think is unique about each one. I'll be just going through all of that, not so detailed, but let me know if you want me to do a detailed training on some of the things that I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. So with Canva, it's cool, but some few things that Canva, it's a holdback for me is that there are some things that they want you to pay. Of course they need to make money. So let's say if I go to videos, for instance, and I'm just choosing a simple video, there's one downside about Canva. Let me just push some of their videos like Facebook video. Okay, and let's go to Adobe. Okay, and this one, creative design, what we are talking is Adobe Express. So okay, so let me compare the two. I've realized that some of them are easier, but some are not free, user friendly. So with the video feature, you can see that Canva is simple like this. Okay, and if you go to Adobe Express, if you go down, go to their video, they also have nice templates. If I choose one here, okay, like YouTube, and I choose I pick one of it, is loading. So you can see here, so let me look at the template here. So you can see Canva has some cool templates. If I pick it and then I load one, you can see how Canva is going to handle everything. So that's how Canva does its own. So you can just click and it's cool. So you realize that with Canva you can easily change some few things. It's almost the same as Adobe Express. Mine is taking forever to load. Let me reload it. Okay, whilst it keeps coming. So that's one thing that I love about Canva too, and I can easily make this an image whilst I export. Let's go to Adobe. So if you go to Adobe Express, you can see that it also has some cool templates. Of course you can choose any of the templates like this premium. Sorry, I'm looking for free stuff. Okay, so this one, less premium, so it's almost like Canva. Let me delete it and let me pick something that is let me undo it. Okay, and then let me pick something that's let me just delete everything. Okay, so I have a blank sheet now. So let me pick something that is 9 seconds, add as a page. And it's also cool, they have nice templates that you can play around. You can check them out. So you can double click, easy to edit and tweak. Okay, and if you want to reduce the time frame, you can just draw back just like Canva. So that's also cool. Now that's the video one. There are a lot of things that you might want to try out with these two apps. Now let me go back to Canva. One thing I like about Adobe Express is this. Okay, with Canva it doesn't have the cropping feature. If you want to have like remove background and stuff, you have to do premium. But if you go to Adobe Express, so let me clear there and then do adobeexpress.com. When you go there, one thing is that removal background, it's 100% free. Okay, and you can easily do that, and that's one thing I like about it. But I'm stuck with Canva, so sometimes I have to just remove the background and come back to Canva. So one thing is that if you ask me my take, I would say that Canva is cool, maybe because I started using it earlier before Adobe. Okay, so if I go through some of the things Canva can do and I go to like templates and I check what is that there, let me see, creatives. okay, you see that I think I still love Canva. One thing is this, if you go to Canva, and then I can go to the home and I create a new design, and Canva is cool. So if like I do Facebook cover, that's one thing. But one thing I don't like about Canva is that, let's say I'm here, I want to do a banner, and then I want to remove the background. It becomes very difficult because you need a third party to, if you still want to use the background remover, then you have to go for premium. But when you come to Adobe Express, it's different. When you come here, you just go down, you go to remove background, and that's it. You just have to drop your image. Let me see if I can get an image here. Okay, let me get this image. Let me pick an image like this, and I drop it. All right, so it seems loading error. Let me try again. Let me pick an image. All right, let me pick this image, and drop it here. You see that it does the work easily, but for Canva, you need a third-party software first. So like, if let's say you have this and you want to do something like this, you need a third-party software for Canva to be able to do something like this. Okay, you need another thing to crop it. But for Adobe Express, when this is done, it's something that it does it. You can open in editor and then use it right away. So that's one downside about Canva, but I love Canva. But if you look at Adobe, whilst I clicked on edit, I can work with it right away. Okay, you can easily work with it. You can see. So it's just the eraser that is premium, but I think it's good. It's good. So you can see the background is removed. I can change the background so that you can see black. You can see that, boom. So there's something that is cool that I love. This particular feature made me fall in love with Adobe Express. Okay, so there are templates that you can pick up and then use to do your design. So let me know your take on that. Okay, I'm planning to do series of tutorials comparing these two, but I just wanted you to this just like something to draw attention to these two apps. Let me know your take. What do you think about these two apps? Have you used them before, or do you want me to do tutorials on these, or you want me to go further and compare much and talk much about these two apps, or you want a detailed tutorial on Adobe Express? Let me know, and then I'm more than happy to work out a cool tutorial on that. So this is something that you might want to check out. Adobe Express has more cool features. It's seriously loaded, and one thing is that it also comes with generative AI, where you are giving like 24 credits, where you can give it a prompt and it can generate some unique images for you, so, which I want you to try it out. Okay.